This travel trailer is perfect for big families who actually want space. You've got a private bedroom up front and a full bunk room in the back for the kids, so everyone has their own spot. Hi guys, it's Isabel here at Worldwide RV, and today we are going to be checking out the 2026 Jayco J Flight 325 BHT. Now this is definitely a family floor plan because it can sleep up to 9 people. It has a length of 38 feet and a GVWR of 10,600 pounds. As per usual, we're going to go on the outside of this unit and then we'll make our way in. Alright, starting in the front of this travel trailer, this is a double axle travel trailer. Up here in the front, you have a powered tongue jack as well as two 20-pound LP tanks. And right here to my left, this is going to be a pass-through storage, so it goes all the way to the other side. That is perfect because you're going to be able to fit everything inside of here. Fishing poles, camping chairs, it's all going to be able to go into this compartment right here. Now we are moving down this travel trailer. There's a bunch of things that I don't want to forget to mention to you guys. First off, let's start at the top. You have a power awning on this travel trailer with an LED strip that goes across the whole thing. You also have your marine grade speakers right underneath that. And over here, you're going to have your Suburban tankless hot water heater. You also have an area where you're able to plug something in on the exterior of this travel trailer. And as you can see right here in this storage area, you have a little bit of a outdoor kitchen setup. You have a mini fridge out here. This is perfect if you want to store some drinks for the kiddos, maybe some beer in there for the hubby, and nobody's gonna have to be lugging in and out of the travel trailer as you're cooking dinner or just to save some cool air inside. You also have a countertop right here for prepping. There is a light in here, so that's really nice. And you also have this drawer right here. This is perfect for all of that outdoor kitchen, camping stuff. Just a little bit more additional storage out here as well. And then in the rear of this travel trailer right here, you do have an outdoor shower. At the top, it is prepped for a lippert ladder, and you do have a spare tire with a Jayco cover back here as well. Before we head inside of this 325 BHT, I do not want to forget to mention that all of the windows on here are UV protected. These are Jayco's G20 tinted windows. I want to mention the Jayco warranty. This does have that, which is the 2-year limited and 3-year structural warranty. That is the best in the industry. But come on guys, let's go in and check out the inside. All right, you guys, now we are in the interior of this 325 BHT. This travel trailer has triple slides. So one of those slides is right here in this main living area. It holds your trifold couch as well as your U-shaped dinette right here, which both of those are able to convert into additional sleeping. With this slide in this main living area, it really opens up this area. You have a lot of room in here, which I feel is very important for the fact that you can sleep 9 people inside of here. When you walk in here, directly to my right, this is the front private bedroom, and this is sort of like a hutch area, great for additional storage. You have lots of shelving in here, as well as underneath you have a fireplace. Now this fireplace is going to actually be able to push out enough heat to really heat up this entire living room. In the kitchen area, right up here, you have an area where you're able to put your TV on a bracket where you can swivel it towards the U-shaped dinette or to this trifold sofa directly across from it. You also have a double basin sink, and this spray top is able to come down for an easy cleanup. You have a lot of prepping area in here, lots of counter space, as well as storage. Drawers all right here. You have cabinets right here, even this miniature cabinet directly next to the microwave. And then for your appliances, you have Envision stovetop, oven, 3-burner stovetop, and you have an Envision microwave right up here. You also have a 12-volt Envision fridge right here, and this is not necessarily a residential fridge, but it is still nice and big, plenty of room for wine, beer, Oh, and of course food. Now we are in the front of this travel trailer. This is going to be the private bedroom for mom and dad. They have a queen size bed inside of here, and a really big plus is you have plenty of room to really walk through on both sides. So no one is going to have to climb over each other to get out of bed at night. You also have a lot of storage in here. You have cabinets up here. You also have a little nightstand table on both sides. You do have storage underneath this bed as well, and it goes all the way to the end of the bed. And as you can see, you have a pretty decent sized closet inside of here. You have areas to fold clothes up and also hang your clothes up as well. And there is a dresser, so you're able to fold some additional clothes up in there. Now we are inside of the bathroom of this travel trailer. This is a nice, spacious bathroom. You have plenty of room to move around, change clothes, do your business, as well as you do have quite a bit of storage in here. Of course, you have the medicine cabinet storage, you have the storage underneath the sink, but I really love what they did here behind the toilet. They extended the countertop to go out more, and you have a little bit of storage area right there. This shower is nice and spacious as well. You have plenty of room to move your arms around. You're not going to be bumping them on the sidewalls as you're washing your hair. You also have a skylight up at the top for additional headroom. And this shower head does come down, so if you have the dogs with you after a late day, want to rinse them off, this makes it a lot easier. And now, let me just warn you, if the kiddos are watching after seeing this bunk room, they are never going to stop asking you about this travel trailer. This is something that I would be so hyped about if I was a kid. You have a private bunk room in the back of this travel trailer with 1, 2, 3, 4 different sleeping areas. Me and my cousins would have absolutely loved to have this at camp. This bunk can go up, so you can have like a little bit of a play area right here for the kiddos, and then at night it super easily comes down to be a sleeping area for them. A really big plus as well is that this is a single bunk, this is a single bunk, but these two over here are double bunks. That means they are rated for 600 pounds each. You can sleep an adult on both of these. You can sleep 2 adults on both of these. So not only could this be really awesome for the kiddos, but if you have a bunch of friends, this could be a perfect place for them to go. And you also have some additional storage underneath this double bunk right here. And really big thing to point out, you have a lot of floor space in here because this is on a slide. So if you happen to go camping on a rainy day, the kiddos are going to have plenty of floor space, play area inside of this travel trailer to keep them entertained for a while. Alright guys, well there you have it. That was a complete look at this 2026 Jayco J-Flight 325 BHT here at Worldwide RV. Now, I feel like the video does not do this travel trailer justice, so if you liked it, come down here and check it out. We are located at 4660 East Main Street, right in between Higley and Greenfield. Again, my name's Isabel, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks so much for watching.